My name's Kevin Fitzpatrick, and I'm an Executive Vice President for Alfred Benish & Company, a consulting engineering firm here headquartered in Chicago. I've started with Benish back in 1985 when I graduated from Purdue University in civil engineering. And today I just want to tell you a little bit about not only what we do here at Benish, but what civil engineers do in our company. Civil engineering encompasses many different disciplines. We have engineers working on the geometric design of interchanges. We have civil engineers working on the hydraulic flow in rivers and streams. Also environmental engineers working on those same projects. Structural engineers will be working on bridges, whether they be for the highways or railroads. We also have structural engineers working on buildings. So as you can see, there's many different disciplines that we're working on, and with all those disciplines comes a satisfaction of working on these things as a team. Much of the work that civil engineers do, whether it's civil engineers or structural engineers, is right here in our design office. We're set up and they're at their desks with their dual monitors working on computer-aided drafting design or some structural analysis program. But what's kind of neat about civil engineering is you're not just anchored to that desk. We have many opportunities to get out of the office. Many of our planners go to the public meetings and present new designs for a shopping center or present the aesthetics on a new bridge that's going in a neighborhood. Some of our bridge engineers go out in crews and inspect many of the railroad trusses and the bridges all around that you drive over every day. We actually have a whole group of construction engineers that work on projects that represent our clients to make sure these projects are built right. We're actually going to go down the street today, down to the Chicago River, and take a look at one of the projects that we're designing right now for the city of Chicago. Chicago River Walk is a great project to show the many different disciplines in civil engineering. As you can see, there were structural engineers that were involved in designing the sheeting that ties back the wall that's going to be able to create this new space. And also you can see the drainage structures that civil engineers worked on. Even just the effect of the flow of the Chicago River, we had to have hydraulic engineers work with the Corps of Engineers and also with the Environmental Protection Agency. All different disciplines just within civil engineering. That's what's really neat is the teamwork that's involved in a project like this, right from the design all the way through construction. The reason I went into civil engineering is probably like a lot of you is, we did good in math and science in high school, right? Our counselor said, hey, you're probably going to go towards engineering. Personally, I really like seeing things be built. It was that construction part of it, whether you're watching a building in your neighborhood or even a house go up, seeing that final product is rewarding. What you don't know when you're just going into it is many decades later, you walk around town and you drive on the highways and you realize that you've had an influence on many of the projects all around you. Bridges, buildings, dams, even the streams that are around you actually contributed to that, and you contributed to your community.